Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today let's read Bath, Bath, Bath by Douglas Florin and illustrated by Christian Engel. Today we had such fun. But now the day is done. You're so full of dirt. Take off your pants and shirt. Then get inside the tub. With the soap, you scrub. Wash your tiny toes and your little nose. Rubber duck goes quack. Clean your arms and back. Soak your neck and chin. Soapy skin. Dry off when you're done. Bath time is such a fun. The end. Thank you for listening. Bye kids.